In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a fast and responsive TikTok feed like this on your Elementor website. This is by using the Smash Balloon TikTok Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. For this demonstration, I've already installed TikTok Feed Pro ahead of time. Once installed, you'll find it inside your WordPress dashboard over here, TikTok Feeds. Go ahead and click on that, and to create our TikTok feed, click on Add New. And for the first step, we'll have to connect our TikTok account. So click on Add Source, then click on Connect with TikTok. This will take you to TikTok, and if you're already logged in, you can see your account here. And if you want to switch accounts, you can click the button here to switch to the account you want to display inside your feed. After that, scroll down and click on Continue. Then you'll get this pop-up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. And now inside the plugin, we can see our TikTok account added as a source. So select it, then click Next. For the final step of creating our TikTok feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, cards, list, and more. Let's continue with the cards template, then click Next. And instantly, we have a live preview of our brand new TikTok feed right here inside the plugin. The feed displays the latest TikTok videos from our account, which is Green Grove Eatery, and the feed features the video thumbnails, the number of views, number of likes, and a preview of the caption underneath. At the top of the feed, we also have a header featuring the profile picture, account name, account handle, and the bio as well. Our TikTok feed is now ready to be embedded inside your Elementor webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, if you go into Customize and click on Layout, you'll find different layout options for your TikTok feed. At the moment, we have the grid layout selected, which displays your TikTok videos in rows and columns. Next, we have the list layout. This one displays your TikTok videos in a single column list. Third is the masonry layout, displaying your TikTok videos in masonry tiles. Third is the carousel layout. This one's my personal favorite because you can swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. And last but not least, we have the gallery layout, which features your latest TikTok video inside a video player at the top of your feed, with the rest of the videos underneath in a grid layout. For this demonstration, let's continue with the carousel. And if I scroll down, you can choose the number of videos you want to display inside your feed initially. At the moment, we're displaying 10 videos across 4 different pages. But if you want to modify it, you can enter the number of videos you want to display. For example, let's go with 6. And now our feed is updated to only display 6 videos across 2 different pages. There we go. Only 6 videos now. But if you want to change it back, just go and type in the number of videos you want to display. Let's go with 9. Alright, so we now have 9 videos inside our TikTok feed. I'm pretty happy with that. Next, you can also choose how many rows and columns you want inside your TikTok feed. With this specific layout, we can only choose a number of columns, and currently we have 3 columns. But to modify it, just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, if we go with 4, you can see we now have 4 columns instead of 3. And in the same way, we can type in any number of columns we want. Let's go with 2, or even back to 3. Let's keep it at 3. And next, if I scroll down, you'll find options specific to the carousel layout as well. First, we can add navigation arrows. If we enable it, you can see them on the left and right hand side right here. Underneath that, we're also displaying pagination dots, the ones at the bottom of the feed. And third, you can also enable autoplay. Once enabled, the videos inside your feed will automatically swipe through like this. Wait for it. There we go. Just like that. But for now, I'm going to disable that. And above, we can also choose the loop type. Currently, it's set to infinity, which means that when you swipe through all your pages, your carousel will reset and continue infinitely. Alternatively, you can open it up and also go with rewind. So once you're finished with the last page, it'll rewind back to the first page, just like this. Okay, once you're happy with the layout of your TikTok feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want control to moderate the content inside your TikTok feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here you can add filters to filter the videos inside your TikTok feed. You have 2 ways to do this. In the first box, if you add a word, your TikTok feed will only show videos containing that word. Inversely, with the second box, if you add a word inside, your TikTok feed will hide any videos containing that word. These options give you a great way of controlling which videos you want to display inside your feed. For example, you'll notice that there are 2 videos inside this feed that contain the word spice or spices. If we only want to focus on those videos, we can enter those at the top here. Let's enter the word spice, and our TikTok feed will automatically update to only display videos containing that word. So we have those 2 right here. But for now, I'm going to remove that filter, and that should reset our feed just like this. And if you add any filters, make sure to click Save. But for now, we're going to go back into the Settings tab and then click on Sort. Here you have options to sort the videos inside your TikTok feed. At the top, it says Sort By, and currently it's set to Recent first, which means it's displaying the latest TikTok videos at the start. If we open this up, we can also sort by the oldest videos first, the most views first, or the most likes first too. This way you can choose whether you want your oldest, latest, or most engaging TikTok content right at the top of your feed. Underneath this, you also have an option to randomize the TikTok videos inside your feed. If you toggle it on, it will show website visitors a random assortment of TikTok videos each time they visit your site, keeping your content fresh and engaging. But let's go and disable randomize, and if you make any changes, just click on Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your TikTok feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. And next, on our page, we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are now on our Elementor webpage, and if I scroll down, This is where we can embed our TikTok feed. To embed it, on the left-hand side, let's search for a shortcode block. And the one we want is this one here. So we can click and drag it over here like this. Next, on the left-hand side, we can paste that shortcode that we just copied earlier, and we can click on Publish. Once that's done, we can go check it out on our live Elementor website. And here we are on our live WordPress webpage, and if I scroll down, we have our brand new TikTok feed right in the middle. It's featuring the latest TikTok videos from the account we added as a source, which is Green Grove Eatery, and the videos inside our feed feature the number of views, likes, and the caption underneath, along with the thumbnail for the video too. If a site visitor wants to watch this video, they can click on it, and that video will start playing automatically directly on their WordPress website. And what's cool about this is when a video finishes playing, it will automatically loop and start playing again, just like on TikTok itself. And on the right hand side, we have a caption, the number of views, number of likes, and a button to view the TikTok on TikTok itself. If I close this, you can see that since we created the carousel layout, you can swipe through the videos inside your TikTok feed by clicking on the buttons on the right hand side or the pagination dots on the bottom. At the top of the feed, we have the header, which features the TikTok account profile picture, bio, number of accounts it's following, number of followers, and number of likes too. But on the right hand side, we also have a follow on TikTok button. Once clicked, it takes us directly to our TikTok profile, making it really easy for your site visitors to go and follow you directly on TikTok. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a TikTok feed like this on Elementor. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.